As SEC loses ground in its suit against Ripple, the odds are for a turnover of Ripple's fortune. Some industry observers point out that Ripple's minor victories in ETHs and ODL could result in a massive surge for XRP, with XRP's recovery of more than 50 being among the largest major cryptocurrencies. Indeed, successive events affect our XRP price prediction, but we hope for greater clarity. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. After Ripple filed its redacted reply to the SEC's opposition in court to the motion for summary judgment, the closure of the case appears to be on the horizon. The court allowed the entities to file an amicus brief in favor of either Ripple or the SEC, and the last day was November 30, 2022. Both parties were expected to file responses to the motion, which Ripple primarily pursued. Amicus is an individual or organization that is not a party to an action but who volunteers or is court invited to advise on a matter before the court. The 76-year-old Howey test doesn't seem quite helpful when applied to cryptocurrencies like XRP. Quite likely because each XRP is indistinguishable from another XRP, as one pundit pointed out. Indeed, there's Elbri CEO Jeremy Kaufman warns that the court decision threatens the entire U.S. cryptocurrency industry by setting a standard that would deem almost every cryptocurrency a security. In its latest XRP markets report, the amount of XRP held across various Ripple wallets had dropped below 50 billion, or 50% of the outstanding supply, in the previous quarter. The SEC's argument that anything other than the way something is sold is a security is a big load of nonsense. As with a good man, you cannot keep putting a good coin down. That's saying a downturn exposes those who had been taking on excessive risk when times were good. The below quote reflects XRP in the good times and the bad. The main thing going for XRP is its community, as well as for most beleaguered crypto networks. Another event that has a bearing on XRP's rise is the recent ETHX fiasco. It's only when the tide goes out that you know who's been swimming naked. Today's XRP price is 373,900 cents with a 24-hour trading volume of 1,303,454,163. XRP is up 0.76 in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 06, with a live market cap of $18,928,065,485 USD. It has a circulating supply of 50,623,223,200,000,000 take coins and a max. Ripple price analysis is on the bullish side today, as it shows the price has increased further after yesterday's bullish price action. The coin has been following a bearish trend previously, as the trend line is still downwards after 7th December. But the coin started to recover yesterday and is continuing the recovery process today as well. You may follow our daily blow by blow XRP price analysis here. Could it be because Elon Musk has now joined Ripple and charged straight into the United States Securities and Exchange Commission? SEC. Elon Musk believes SEC is attempting to regulate cryptocurrencies and that it has crossed its jurisdiction and needs to be stopped. A notable development as a turnkey solution for financial institutions, Ripple Liquidity Hub will leverage smart order routing to source digital assets at optimized prices from market makers, exchanges, and OTS desks. As a crypto liquidity platform built for the enterprise, it will unleash the potential to access deep liquidity within markets, accelerating the shift to crypto. Ripple Liquidity Hub will initially support BTC, ETH, LTC, ETC, ETCH, and XRP. Availability will vary by geography, with plans to add additional digital assets over time. Ripple plans to add functionality such as staking and yield, generating functionalities in the future. Can XRP reach $1 soon? Why not? As the community pushes for action, will be good to see this snowball. Next up, 40 in a year. In the world of cryptocurrencies, XRP is quite different. It is decentralized, but not as much as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the like. Unlike them, it doesn't seek to be an alternative to the traditional banking system, but rather to collaborate and improve the conventional banking system. Nonetheless, it is a cryptocurrency that could outlast others due to its many distinctive features and landmark developments. The top cryptocurrency exchanges for XRP stock are Binance, Mandala Exchange, OKEX, Cointeger, and FTX. The XRP price has been consolidating in a sideways channel since the crypto market crash in May 2021. The price has been consolidating between 56 cents and $1.39. The trend is currently neutral. However, it might retest the 0.618 Fibonacci level around 89 cents before moving to the upside. The stochastic RSI for the daily time frame is also at the bottom, 18. Thus, there is a huge potential to the upside as far as there is no negative news in the crypto space. Also, there is a flat volume. This indicates that the supply from sellers and the demand from buyers are in equilibrium. The lawsuit against Ripple has significantly hindered the price surge during this bull market. Even though the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, does not consider Ethereum and Bitcoin, which have similar characteristics as XRP, to be securities, the SEC has continued to be harsh towards Ripple Labs, Inc. The XRP price fell by 70 immediately after the suit was filed and has never been able to break its previous all-time high of $3. XRP holders have been affected as major crypto exchanges like Coinbase and Crypto.com suspended trading so they couldn't cash out. JP Morgan's North America Equity Research also published a report earlier this month stating that the XRP asset is poised for significant adoption. SECV's Ripple case will likely end in 2023, says Ripple CEO. After Ripple filed its redacted reply to the SEC's opposition in court to the motion for summary judgment, the closure of the case appears to be on the horizon. Ripple Labs Inc. has previously filed a motion for summary judgment in its ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Ripple founder Brad Garlinghouse congratulated the entire Ripple team for reaching the current point. The court allowed the entities to file an amicus brief in favor of either Ripple or the SEC, and the last day was November 30, 2022. Both parties were expected to file responses to the motion, which Ripple primarily pursued. Amicus is an individual or organization that is not a party to an action but who volunteers or is court invited to advise on a matter before the court. Keep updated with this unfolding data of SEC versus Ripple, which could topple the market if the predictions go south. Ripple has been in existence for a while. It was created in 2004 as Ripple Pay, but the case of its innovation came too early for its time, as it made no significant mark then. However, it returned in 2012 as Ripple and launched the XRP token soon after. Ripple XRP is unlike any other cryptocurrency. XRP is a product of Ripple Labs, and it differs on many levels, and this includes: unlike most of the cryptocurrencies in existence, the coin does not operate on blockchain technology. Instead, it is based on the Ripple protocol technology, which means it has no use for a distributed ledger database. This uses gateways linked to servers of the company in multiple countries of the world to verify and process transactions. While the mining process is considered an integral part of all tokens, it is not the same for XRP. The limit for XRP coins is set at 100 billion coins created by the company. Over 35 of that coin has been released into the market. The rest is held by the company that releases it periodically to control the supply and circulation of the token. The cryptocurrency is a deflationary one as the number of coins in the market reduces with each transaction. According to the report, Ripple's milestone is significant because it disproves claims that the Ripple network is centralized. Technically, the virtual asset is centralized, and its parent company, Ripple Lab, strives to create partnerships with traditional financial institutions like banks. The company sells its RippleNet technology to these institutions, thereby increasing the popularity of its native token, Ripple XRP. RippleNet technology is a system that connects banks and facilitates cross-border payments and settlements. Due to the differences between Ripple XRP and other cryptocurrencies, it also has some advantages. Some of them are: this is one of the most significant selling points of Ripple technology. The swiftness of transactions surpasses other cryptocurrencies and beats that of swift wire transfer, the commonly used system in traditional banking. This makes it a better alternative for banks to facilitate cross-border payments as its XRP transactions are exceedingly fast. The Ripple transaction protocol is quite efficient too. Traditional banking system transactions and that of some cryptocurrencies tend to incur hefty transaction fees. But with digital currency, this fee is drastically reduced to a pittance. Another positive for it is that the transaction can be reversed or edited to deal with an error if there is one. All these features have enabled the Ripple network to gain significant partnerships among traditional financial institutions. And it has also influenced the growth in the value of Ripple XRP over the years. It is a fact that the recent partnership of Ripple with the Japanese payment giant SPE has brought the attention of various technical corporations across the South Pacific region, and it is expected that the entire region will see an expansion and adoption of Ripple tech. It has been said that the Ripple remittance deal is setting the stage for the much broader adoption of Ripple. The lawsuit on Ripple about its security doesn't seem to bother Japanese regulators or SPE officials. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.